And in another primetime news, a follow-up, Omario Nelson, the 20-year-old man who is charged with buggery of a 5-year-old boy in St. Anne, was offered bail in the sum of $300,000 when he appeared before the St. Anne Parish Court this afternoon. A 24-hour curfew order was placed on him. As part of his bail conditions, Mr. Nelson must reside in another parish and not interact with children. He should only return to St. Anne to attend court. Senior Parish Judge Yvonne Facey also ordered that the accused undergo a psychiatric evaluation. Mr. Nelson is scheduled to return to court on July 27. Children's advocate Diane Gordon Harrison has condemned the killing of a 14-year-old female of the Jonathan Grant High School in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The teenager, who's been identified as Danisha Cooper, succumbed to injuries sustained during a stabbing incident in Kitson Town, St. Catherine on Sunday. She died at the Kingston Public Hospital yesterday. Her alleged attacker, with whom it's reported she had a sexual relationship, is in custody. It's believed she was stabbed after a breakup. The children's advocate reacted to the incident.
I feel it for her parents and express my condolences to the family. And I also see it as a very timely reminder for other teenagers who may feel as if they can, in fact, navigate these relationships very well, to take heed and really to issue a plea for the adults in our communities who know about these inappropriate arrangements to really leave no stone unturned.
Meanwhile, the deceased teen's mother, Sashane Toller, is rejecting claims that her daughter was involved in a relationship with the suspect.
The police then come round the youth. But we don't see him. We don't have to talk to him or then carry him go on. From here, still not seeing none from them all I know.